Are you tired of guessing whether your SEO efforts are working? Learn how to check your website traffic in under 2 minutes using Semrush. We'll start by organizing your projects in Semrush folders, then walk through the traffic analytics report step by step. First, head to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Then, click on the Traffic and Market tab. Now, click on Traffic Analytics. Review the data in the Traffic Analytics report. Enter the domain you want to analyze. Next, click on Add Competitors to include them in the comparison. Finally, click on Analyze to get your report. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.